Well, I can guarantee you this. 10 or 20 years from now, nobody, and I mean nobody, except those of us in this exact industry, the collision repair industry, will remember the Great Awakening. In fact, nobody besides us knows it's even a thing right now. But those of us that still will be around then, and the ones behind us that carry on the good fight of repairing vehicles safely and properly, will never forget this period in time. So, Rick, tell me, what exactly is the Great Awakening you speak of? Well, it's exactly what our hardworking, ethical, resilient, and persistent shop owners, technicians, suppliers, and supporting audience have been working towards, hoping for, and predicting would happen for years and years. It's also something that insurance carriers have been fortunate enough to avoid for decades, but have been quietly dreading for the last couple of years, and now are directly facing without a quick resolution or relief in sight. It's a shifting of the winds, a receding of the tide, a swing of the pendulum in the opposite direction, a slow, unstoppable transfer of leverage over how vehicles are repaired. It's a revealing of whom the real customer is, the vehicle owner, not the insurance company, and it's changing the repair-insure conversation completely. So here's the thing. The Great Awakening is not something that can be captured in a slogan or a sentence or even a paragraph. No, it's more of a collaboration of events, situations, and changes in our industry that have merged together with impeccable timing.